What's going on, guys? So I bought this Chevy S10 for $350 and I'm not sure what to do with it. I was thinking about turning it into a demolition truck, thinking about maybe turning it into like a rally truck. I was thinking about maybe turning the back of the truck into a hot tub. I'm not really sure what I should do with it. Maybe turn the back cab into a tiny home. There's unlimited amount of options because I'm totally fine with completely destroying this truck, putting a sunroof in it, whatever it is. I'm completely fine with doing it. I was thinking about maybe flipping it and making more money off of it, but it's probably worth like $1,500 or so. So I could do that. I could work my way up and like reach to like a $10,000 vehicle, something along those lines, or I could just have a lot of fun with it and destroy it, turn it into a demolition car, chop it up. I was also thinking about maybe spray painting the entire thing with bed liner. Thought that was a cool idea. Comment down below what I should do with this truck and I'll turn it into a fun series on YouTube.